What if your customers had their needs written all over them? If you knew that this person wanted to be informed and that person wanted to be inspired, would it change the way you sell to them? Would it make your job easier? Yeah, it probably would, but that's not the real world. Or is it? Maybe if you had the right decoder, your customers' needs would be a lot more obvious. It would be clear how to get their attention, how to connect, how to close the sale. All you would need is a tool to help you understand where they're coming from. This is DiSC, your decoder. It gives you a way to quickly understand the needs and priorities of the people around you. It describes 4 basic styles: D, I, S, and C that help you understand your customers' needs as well as your own strengths and challenges as a salesperson. Here's how it works. Everyone has a dot. That dot tells you your DiSC style. For example, if you have the D or dominant style, you're probably self-assured and direct. You emphasize results, showing customers how your product can improve their bottom line. Because you prioritize action, you move things along quickly, and you demonstrate competence, making it clear you'll get the job done. If you have an I or influence style, you're probably outgoing and high-spirited. Your enthusiasm comes through loud and clear, creating a sense of excitement about what you have to offer. You're also action-oriented with a positive energy that suggests you're eager to make things happen quickly. And because you prioritize relationships, you spend time getting to know your customers. Or you could have an S or steadiness style, in which case you're probably agreeable and accommodating. You come across to customers as sincere and dependable, making it clear that you're there to support them during the sale and beyond. And since you make an effort to develop your relationships, customers feel like they can trust you. Finally, if you have the C or conscientiousness style, you're probably analytical and precise. You focus on quality, backing up your claims with facts and figures. And since you strive to be competent, you likely put in the work to develop expertise about what you're selling. You also prioritize dependability, making it clear to customers that your offering is a solid long-term decision. Now, in the real world, it's not always that simple. You can be a blend of 2 styles, such as D and C, and you can have 4 or even 5 priorities. But knowing where you fall on the DiSC circle can help you appreciate the strengths and challenges you bring to the sales process, so you can learn how to be more effective. Because DiSC gives you a model not just for understanding yourself, but also for understanding your customers. And that's important, because your customers aren't just evaluating your product or service. They also have unspoken priorities that influence what they expect of us and how they make their decisions. DiSC helps you understand what those priorities are, so you can recognize that maybe this person with the D style wants you to get to the point as quickly as possible. But this person with the I style, they need to know that you'll put in the time to build the relationship. And when you combine that knowledge with insight into your own DiSC style, you'll know how to adapt to meet your customers' expectations, have more productive interactions, and become a more effective salesperson.